Hi, my name is Michael Ryan with Armor Concepts, and today I will be showing you all the components to your Easy Armor Hinge Sidelight Reinforcement Kit. Let's get started. Here we have your Easy Armor Hinge Sidelight Reinforcement Kit. We're just going to open it up. And inside, you will find two Sidelight hinge shields. Continue to open the box. Two mini door shields. And also one Easy Armor jam shield. And one pack of instructions and screws. And that completes the components of your Easy Armor Hinge Shield Sidelight Reinforcement Kit.